Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Haitian rice with canned beans. This delicious and hearty dish is a staple in Haitian cuisine, and using canned beans makes it incredibly convenient. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including 1.5 cups of long-grain white rice, 1 15-ounce can of red kidney beans, and fresh aromatics. This method ensures a flavorful and authentic taste every time. Next, we'll build the rich flavor base for our rice. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté your finely chopped onions, bell peppers, and minced garlic until they are fragrant and softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and cook for another minute. Finally, add 1/4 cup of épices, or a similar herb and spice blend, and 2 cups of vegetable broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Now it's time to add the star of our dish, the rice. Carefully add 1.5 cups of thoroughly rinsed long-grain white rice to the simmering broth. Stir in your drained and rinsed 15-ounce can of red kidney beans. Bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and let it cook undisturbed for about 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the rice to absorb all the delicious flavors. Once the cooking time is complete, remove the pot from the heat but keep it covered. Let the rice rest for an additional 5 minutes. This step is crucial for perfect texture. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains and release any steam. Garnish your beautiful Haitian rice with some fresh chopped parsley or scallions for a touch of color and freshness. Serve this incredibly flavorful dish warm as a satisfying main course or a hearty side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.